Hello there. Today we're over at the Full Sail Live 1 video. We're gonna check out all the wild creatures they've got inside. Let's go. Well, this is a rare sight up here. Looks like we've got what they call an AVP student working on her project. Looks like she's trying to get the perfect shot. Check it out. Out in the wild, they'll call a group of these people squints. I think it has something to do with the fact that they're squinting all the time. Alright, over here, we got a wild Shirley on what they call a smoke break. Let's go check out a closer look. Oh, look at it, so majestic. Oh, isn't it great? I'm gonna touch it. I've come across something magnificent over here in the other room. It's a video editor. I believe this is of the Shantae species. We're gonna go take a look at it. Now these guys, they spend a lot of their time in the dark. So, I'm trying not to frighten it too much, but let's go. He's in here. Oh God, he's frightening! Let's go, let's go! You know, sometimes messes get made when people have to make projects. Someone's got to clean it up. Here in the other room, we've got a Full Sail instructor. Now these guys, they get little 2 to 3 hours of sleep a night, so they gotta work off of energy that comes from coffee. We got one over here brewing up a pot. Let's go check him out. Right here in the other room. Let's get a look. Oh, look at it. How majestic is that? Looks like he's trying to find something. Oh, looks like he's having, is it up there?